Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing probably one of the most important mods you can make to a B8 Audi A4, and that of course is the almighty short throw dipstick. Now the reason I'm doing this, and it really took me a while to actually come around to buying one of these, is because if you have one of these cars or you don't have one of these cars, or maybe you're looking into getting one of these cars, they don't come with a dipstick from the factory for whatever dumb reason. I guess maybe Audi thinks that people don't want to know, or the little thing in MMI is good enough. But here lately I've been having some issues with mine, so gonna take care of that today. Yeah, let's get right on into the install. I got this beautiful yellow short throw dipstick off of Amazon. It's like $15, $17 with tax and all of that, plus it had prime shipping, so you know that's always fun, it's always good. So let's hop right on into this. All right, now that we're about to install this here, our lovely short throw dipstick, which by the way I didn't mention before, but there I am. This is going to give you about 100 horsepower to all four wheels, because you know this is an all-wheel drive car, so 100 horsepower to all four wheels, which you need that, which that comes out to about, what is that, you carry the one or something, about 400 horsepower. So this is going to be like a 600 horsepower monster after just this one install right here. So first thing you're going to do is, there's a stupid little cap here that Audi puts over where the dipstick goes, which it's literally right in front of your engine. Oil filter's right there, can't miss it, it's a thing. And all you're literally gonna do, you're gonna take your short throw dipstick and you can just line it up. It's really simple. You just run it on down in there, and that's it. That is it. It's always so hard to record videos here, everyone with their loud crappy cars. Not that this isn't a crappy car, this thing's it breaks. Matter of fact, next week's video we're gonna be replacing something on this car that broke, so just subscribe for that, because you're probably gonna like that. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this install here of the short throw dipstick. That car could really stop. It's gonna be it for the short throw dipstick install. If you like this video, give it a like if that's something that you're into. Also, feel free to subscribe. Like I said, there's gonna be another video changing something on this car pretty soon, and you don't want to miss that. So go ahead, subscribe. Thanks again to all my new subscribers, up to 59 subscribers now, so thanks again for that. That's gonna be it. See you later. Super Soul!